Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. Your own private heated and screened pool. Southern Classic Custom 3-bed/2-bath/2-car garage and 1,795 square feet of living. Gas cooking, water heater and pool heat. 8 feet doors and chair rail. New luxe vinyl floors. Quartz countertops. 2015 air conditioner unit. Low HOA fees include lawn maintenance. Golf and social memberships avail.